Hey everyone, how's each and every one are doing on this Monday evening? I hope that each of you are having a good start to the week, and let's hope that the month of February will end on a good note. Until then, let's get started with the problems. Sorry about the distraction. My nephew is in the background. He's left already. I do apologize for the interference. Today's lesson will be multiplying fractions. Use GCF, which is known as the greatest common factor, for simplifying the fractions. And I have selected 3 problems to do on this video clip. Let's get started. All right, number 2 from tonight's tutoring session. We have 3/8 multiplied by 1/4. Okay, here we go. All right, first thing first that comes into mind. Is there any numbers that we can reduce right off the bat? No. All we can do is multiply the numerator and the denominator. So if I understand correctly, let's do 3 times 1. That gives us 3 as the numerator. And then we have 8 times 4. That gives us 32. Our final answer is 3/32. That's not too bad, right? Let's check on the calculator to make sure that everything's good. I'm going to clear this out. Give me a second. Okay, let's do this. I got to put the light on. You can see that what I'm going to do. 3/8 multiply 1 and 1/4. You see that? That's our answer. 3/32. We're off to a good start. All right. Any questions on number 2? All right. Let's go on. Number 20 is 3 fractions. Normally, when you see the previous problem, we have 2 fractions. In this problem, we have 3 fractions. Let's do this. 2/9 multiplied by 3/12 multiplied by 4/5. All right. We have 2/9 multiplied by 3/12 multiplied by 4/5. Okay. Right off the bat, which numbers do we reduce right off the bat? Care to take a guess? Let's do 3 and number 9. Cross out 3, cross out the 9. What number that we divide to get a what number that we divide to get a reduced fraction? Let's try 3. Number 3. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, that gives us 1. 9 divided by 3, that gives us 3. So far, we're good, right? Okay. No questions so far? Okay. What other numbers that we can divide and can be reduced? Let's try 4/5. 4/12, I'm sorry. 4 and number 12. Divide by what number to get a reduced fraction out of 4/12? Let's try 4. 4 divided by 4, that gives us 1. 12 divided by 4, that gives us 3. Any numbers? Any more numbers we could divide? We could further reduce. Any more numbers? Give me a minute. No. No more numbers. Okay, let's do the numerators first. 2 times 1 and 1, that gives us 2 as a numerator. 3 times 3, that gives us 9. Times 5, that gives us 45 as our denominator. Let's check the calculator. That's our potential final answer. Let's try this. Let's check our work. There you go. That's our answer. Any questions on number 20? Okay. All right. Moving along to number 22. All right. We got 5/8 multiplied by 2/3. All right. Are there any numbers that we can reduce right off the bat? Yes. Which ones? The 2 and the 8th, right? What number that divides completely to get a reduced number? Let's get 2. Divide 2. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. 8 divided by 2, that gives us 4. Any more numbers that we could reduce? No. We have 5 times 1, that gives us 5 as our numerator. 4 times 3, that gives us the denominator. Potential final answer, let's check our calculator. 5/12, okay? Five 12 is our final answer. All right. As you can see in this video, we did multiplying fractions. Once you write down the problem and see the first step to see if there's any numbers that we can reduce. And then once you see those numbers that could reduce, then you multiply straight across from on the numerator and the denominator to get a final answer. There you go. If there any more questions, don't hesitate to ask. Until then, you have a wonderful and safe rest of your evening. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.